Hi everyone out there. If you're new, thanks for watching. If you're returning, again, thanks for watching. This video is a quick tip video. I'm showing you how to change the washer jets to misters. It's just literally a little quick tip video. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's flip over and I'll show you how to do this. So in today's quick tip video, we're going to swap the standard washer jets with some misters. Okay, and I want to show you just how to quickly change them over. You open your bonnet, as you can see here. Come around under here, and in here you'll see there's a little clip you push down and it releases it. Back to the other side, pull it through. You need to disconnect it from the pipe here and reconnect the new one. Let me just hold the camera somewhere. And you pull it apart. I'm not worried about the heater jets, so I'm not going to plug them in, but you've got to put the wire through. And it's just as simple of reconnecting. The wiring is actually snapped off, so I can cut that away. In a sec. Let's get it plugged in. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a comparison between jets and misters. So the jets, let me move the camera show you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a difference between the misters and the jets. It is literally what it says, what you say. It's more of a mist, and that's the old fashioned way, it's a jet. Let's get in the car and show you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to swap the other one. Turn them off. I'm going to swap the other one, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, okay, and hit the subscribe button.